Is affiliate marketing course worth the money? Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you're talking about a course, affiliate marketing course, and if they're going to teach you the right way on how to do affiliate marketing, where you can promote any product at any time, anywhere, and if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you're promoting other people's products. You know, there's no shipping, there's no return, there's no dealing with customer service. That's basically affiliate marketing. You know, you'll sign up for one of these big box store companies. It could be Amazon, Walmart. You know, there's a lot of other platforms out there. Like ClickBank's probably one of the most famous ones you see, probably the most, but there's more than just ClickBanks. You know, there's Digital 24, there's Impact. There's a lot of them out there where you can pick products. But if they're teaching you just how to promote their course, then the course is not worth it. No, course ain't worth it. But if they're teaching you how to do the affiliate marketing the right way, then yes, it's worth it. Because let's just say you didn't buy the course, but let's just say you went out and you've been watching YouTube videos after YouTube videos. You've been doing it. You've been watching them for weeks, days, months, and you think you got a pretty good idea on how it works, what you got to do. Okay, so then you get started. Well, then you realize you really don't, because the guys you've been watching don't really teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way. You know, they're just telling you a little bit of information, but not enough to really get you into it. You know, they're probably not going to talk about email campaigns. Probably not going to talk about funnels, the right way to do ads without being banned on social media. You know, so if they're not teaching you that, then it's not really a course that I would buy. But if you're looking for a good course and you're looking for a way to start affiliate marketing the right way, then you need to check out the description in the profile, because we got people who's been doing this for years. Now they're teaching. They're still doing it, but now they want to teach too. So you got people, guys and gals, who's doing it, affiliate marketing, same thing you want to do. They're not only are they doing it, now they want to teach you how to do it. They want to teach you about how to do a campaign and a funnel and how to run ads without being banned. They want to teach you the right way. They're going to teach you the shortcuts. These guys and gals have been doing this for 10 years, 8 years. So you're going to take all of that knowledge that these people have been doing, and you're going to shortcut yourself into success, versus you're going to spend days and weeks and months watching YouTube videos and realize once you get started that you're lost. You're going to get frustrated and quit. Or you're going to take a course, or maybe you're already taking a course that's just teaching you how to promote that course, which is not teaching you about affiliate marketing. So yes, if you get a good course, it's worth it. If you buy a bad one, no, it's not. But then you got to kind of bounce around and figure out what's better, what's good for you. Do you want to waste a bunch of time on the internet, or do you want to start making money and learn while you're doing it? Because there is good courses. We got a great course. I'm telling you, you're going to get a mentor and advisor. There's very few or hardly any other than us that are offering that kind of hands-on holding your hand and walking you through everything. You're going to learn from guys and gals who's already been doing it, who's already making 6-7 figures a year doing affiliate marketing. They're going to show you the shortcuts. They're going to show you what works, what doesn't work. So you're not wasting a bunch of time trying to figure stuff out on your own. So, when it comes down to courses, it's just like going to college. Would you want a doctor to work on you who hasn't been to school to learn how to be a doctor? Same thing with a lawyer. What about a lawyer? Would you want to get a lawyer that hasn't passed the bar and hasn't been to school, who really probably doesn't know the law? No. So why not get somebody who's, doing affiliate marketing, but now they want to teach you? You know what I'm saying? Why not get somebody who's already in the field, who's teaching it, who's still doing it? You know, why? Why not? You know, why not invest in yourself? That's the key. You know, doctors, lawyers, they all invest in themselves. And there's nothing wrong with investing in yourself. You know, whether it's a book, whether it's a course, or whether it's just general information that you can find on the internet, nothing wrong. Because the more you know, the better off you are. But get back to the question at hand about buying a course. Is affiliate marketing course worth the money? Some of them. You're going to have to be careful. Are they going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing? Any product, any niche, anytime, anywhere? Or are they just going to teach you how to promote their course? If they're teaching you just how to promote their course, then stay away from it, because you're not going to learn nothing. You're just wasting your time and your money. So, but if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, just check out the link in the description and let's get going. I mean, we'd love to have you. The seats are filling up fast, but come on, just keep on. I mean, there's nothing wrong with investing in yourself. And if you're serious about trying to start an online business or a side hustle, or maybe you do stuff, you promote stuff already, or maybe you're doing affiliate marketing, but you're struggling. Maybe you just, you're one of them who took a course, it's just teaching you how to promote a course, or you went and you started doing stuff, just watching YouTubes, and it's just not working out for you, the way you thought. We can help you. We can sort it all out. Don't worry. That's what we do. We're the best in the business, and we want to prove it. So don't forget to follow me for more. And don't forget to follow me on Pinterest too, because I have a lot of great information on Pinterest about, making money online and that kind of stuff. So don't forget to follow me there. Follow me on Pinterest, and just keep in mind, when you're looking for a course, or when you're looking for education in general, doesn't matter if you want to do affiliate marketing or if you want to go to a 4-year school, you want to get your money's worth. So, you want to try to find the best school, and you want to find the best course. So keep that in mind. But if you definitely, if you're looking for affiliate marketing course, we got the best one in the business, because we got guys and gals who's been doing it. So, now they're teaching, but they're still doing it. So you're not getting old information. You're getting hands-on, up to date. This is the best way to do it. Start making money. That's what you're getting. So remember, some courses are bad. They're not worth the money, but some are. It's just like education. You could go to a 4-year school, come out with a degree, and the paperwork, the degree you got is worthless. You can't find a job in it. So keep that in mind. You know what I'm saying? Same thing. Not all courses are created equal. Not all going to a 4-year school is created equal. Just because you go get a 4-year degree and you got a diploma saying I graduated doesn't mean you're going to get a good job. So keep that in mind. But don't forget to follow me on Pinterest, and I'll see you next week.